Good morning, students. Let's see the next point, that is numbers in between rational numbers. It will be given two rational numbers and we have to find out between these rational numbers. There are infinite rational numbers in between the two rational numbers. So how to find out? See the practice set 23. What is the question? Write three rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers. Only in between these two we have to find out the three rational numbers. There are infinite rational numbers between the two rational numbers. How to find out? In first sum, first we have to convert the denominator into equal. Now already it is an equal denominator. So how you will find out now? After 2 what comes? 3, then 4, then 5. Already in these two they have the infinite numbers like this way: 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7. So which are the three rational numbers in between these two? 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7. This is your answer. Second one, denominators are different. You have to make the equal denominator. 5 2s are 10. If you multiply both by 2, it will not come. 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. Next you go take it 3. 5 3s are 15, 3 5s are 15. So both numbers you multiply by here 3. So what it comes? 12 upon 15. And second you multiply by 5. Still there are not the three infinite numbers between these two. 12 upon 15, 10 upon 15. So 12, 10. 10 after 11, only in between 1 comes. So now what to do next step? Next again you multiply this both fraction by 2. Again you multiply both fraction by 2. 12 into 2, 15 into 2. 24, 30. Here also you multiply by 2. 20, 30. Now see, 24 and 20. So 20 upon 30, after comes 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30, 23 upon 30, and see the 24 upon 30. So these are the three rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So we have to convert it into equal denominator. If it is not coming, again you multiply by another same number. You will get the another rational numbers and then in between. Like this way, again if you multiply by 2, again 60 comes denominator, and again there are many rational numbers between these two. So there are infinite rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Now see the third one. Minus 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5. Make the equal denominator, multiplying to this by 5 and multiplying to this by 3. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply by 5. Minus 10 upon 15. And this 4 into 3, 5 into 3. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Denominators are same. Now you don't think 10 and 12 only 11 is in community. No, it is a negative. Negative term. Negative means this is your number line and 0. Positive will be this side and negative will be this side. So there are many rational numbers in between these two. Because see, minus 10 upon 15, here what comes again? Minus 9 upon 15, minus 8 upon 15, then dot 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 till 7, 6, 5 then 0 comes, and then again it is comes 1 upon 15, 2 upon 15, then till 12 upon 15. So there are many rational numbers between these two. So any three you write it. Any three rational numbers you write it. So out of here, any three rational numbers you write it. Which are, now take one negative. Already 10 is given. So you take 9 upon 15 minus 8 upon 15, and from positive any one you can take, 2 upon 15. These are the three rational numbers between these two numbers. So because there are infinite numbers, here minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, then 0 comes. This is number line. Then positive starts, 1 upon 2 upon 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you write positive only, you can write it. Only negative, negative, you can write it. Any three numbers. Okay. Now next question, fourth one. 7 upon 9 and minus 5 upon 9. Already denominators are equal. In this way only there are many rational numbers between these two. Minus 5 this side comes, then it comes minus 4 upon 9, minus 3, minus 2, and here till 1 to 6. So any number you can write, minus 4 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, in between these two. Fifth one. Minus 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4. Same it is, denominators are same. So minus 3, minus 2 upon 4. Then only 3 upon 4. Then 1 upon 4. In between there are many. So you can write here what it comes next is minus 2 upon 4. Then it comes minus 1 upon, then 0, then 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. So I have taken out of that only 3 because question is right, only 3 numbers. Now sixth one. 7 upon 8 minus 5 upon 3. Now we have to make first step is equal denominator. 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 24. So first you multiply this 7 upon 8 by 3. 7 3s are 24 and 8. And now this 5 into 8 and 3 into 8 minus 40 upon 24. So here also there are many rational numbers in between these two. So any 3 you write. 21 smaller than 21 which are there? 20 upon 24. Then again which one? Smaller we have to take, and here also smaller. So negative will take 19 upon 24, and here we will take smaller than 40 which is 39 upon 24. So in this way you can write it. Now seventh one. You can write easily seventh one. 5 upon 7, 11 upon 7. 5 upon 7, 11 upon 7. See, in between only there are many. 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7, 8 upon 7, 9 upon 7, 10 upon 7. So out of this 5, any 3 you write it. See, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only negatives I have shown with this. Last one, 0 and minus 3 upon 4. 0 and minus 3 upon 4. They are there after 0. Directly comes minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 4. Only 2 are coming. So we will make again here multiplying both by 2. We will make another denominator. Minus 6 upon 8. Now there are many. After 0 what comes next in number line? Comes after 6 what comes? 5 upon 8. Then minus 4 upon 8. Then minus 3 upon 8. Minus 2 upon 8. Minus 1 upon 8. So these are the 3 numbers in between 0 and minus 6 upon 8. So from after this you can write it. Now I know it is given in this heading, numbers in between rational numbers. Okay. So this is our small part. You complete it. Thank you, students.